SDC. And on the 100 chart, we remain in negative MACD. We're seeing signs of a converge. We're still resting right along the 100 moving average, this orange line acting as our temporary support, at a price of $6.29. As with the 4-hour chart, we remain in positive MACD, but it appears to be approaching to negative MACD territory. As we extend that further to the daily chart, we are in positive MACD. As for support, that we already have the 9-day moving average, this blue line, at a price of $6.07. And as for resistance, that we already have the 100-day moving average, this orange line, at a price of $7.20. If it were to test that level, the price movement to the upside is around 12.6%, and to test support, that is around 5.1% to the downside. And do note, we are making lower highs and slightly higher lows, so the trading range is getting more narrow. And eventually, the volatility will spike either to the upside or to the downside. And thank you for watching.